Welcome back, folks. Today we're going to try and create a fun avatar that is inspired by Van Gogh's Starry Night. So I'm going to start off by placing a photo on my workspace. I'm going to choose this one right here. This is one of my favorite photographs. I hope you like it too. And before we continue, I just want to ask that if you learn anything in this tutorial, press that like button, subscribe, and turn your notifications on. If you want to learn more about my live classes, ask me in the comments and I'll tell you some more. Now let's get to the meats and potatoes of this video. I'm going to head on over to my apps section, and before I do select an app, I'm going to remove the background from this image. I'm going to go into apps, I'm going to go into the search bar, and I'm going to search for an app called Starry Avatar. So here it is right here. I'm going to click it. This is what it looks like. I'm going to click that again. And like any of the other apps, what's going to happen is it's going to tell you its terms and conditions, what it's going to have access to. So once you've read this and you are okay with that, select this purple button to open. All right, I've got my image clicked, and over here it says upload an image or select one in your design to transform it into a Starry Night style art. Now at the bottom, just notice that this app, you only get 1 credit, and that resets every single day. If you want more credits, then you have to subscribe to their app, and there quite possibly could be a cost for that. I've got my image selected, and I'm going to select the purple button to generate and replace my image with an image that is inspired by Van Gogh. So I'll click that purple button. And this is what it has come up with. So what do you think? What do you think of this photo versus the original? Let me go and grab the original again, just so we can take a look at it side by side. So what do you think? Did it do a good job? Let me know in the comments. Is this something that you would use? I think this is actually quite cool. I love this. Anyhow, let me know what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. For now, my friends, I'm going to say bye-bye. Until next time.